southwestern Tarrant County in north central Texas until 1:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 10:28 a.m. Central Daylight Time, Doppler radar indicated heavy rain across the warned area. Between 1 and 3 inches of rain have fallen. Additional rainfall amounts of 1 to 3 inches are forecast. Flash flooding is ongoing or expected to begin shortly. Hazard: flash flooding caused by heavy rain. Source:
and so
creeks and streams, urban areas, highways, streets, and underpasses, as well as other poor drainage and low-lying areas. Some locations that will experience flash flooding include Fort Worth, Burleson, Cleburne, Benbrook, Crowley, Keene, Joshua, Pecan Plantation, Edge Cliff Village, Godley, Cross Timber, Edge Cliff, Crescent, and Benbrook Lake. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The current time is 10.
available in stores, and you won't find it online either. Only through Purity Products by calling this number today. Limit of 1 free bottle per household, please. Call now, 1-800-311-9292. Again, that's 1-800-311-9292. Call now, 1-800-311-9292. One last time, 1-800-311-9292. Call now.
The preceding was a paid advertisement by Purity Products. These statements have not been evaluated by the Food and Drug Administration. This product is not intended to diagnose, treat, cure, or prevent any disease.
If Old Spice Deep Sea Super High...
The result? Trent...
Come on.
You said...
90. Mail or whatnot? No.
Get Dr. O'Hare.
Large as a congregation.
Just for it. I'll do anything to save a life.
Right.
Quote me on it.
All right.
Good morning, friends, and thanks so much for joining us for this very special Sunday morning worship service of First Baptist Church of Dallas.
Do you believe the whole Bible? Repairs. An open phone line has been established for all drivers to call for a free quick quote. Call 800
Prices and participation.
Zero now. Drivers who are covered will not have to pay for covered repairs again. This protection plan is at an all-time low. Additionally, drivers who activate this vehicle protection today will also receive free roadside assistance, free towing, and car rental options at no
They self-originate their own
additional
alerts.
cost. For your free quick quote today, 800-894-9190. That's 800-894. What do you have to lose? Call 800-8.
Good morning, Amir. Right, man. I just watched their tiny these years. Oh, well, listen.
Extreme high cost.
Anyone could ever have.
Car seat headrest with their new song.
IRS, whether it's 5,000.
Looking at a bit of weather headed our way with just a slight chance of rain at the moment. Partially sunny skies are expected. 89 degrees tonight, mostly clear with a low around 75. Mostly sunny Monday with a high near 93. Heat index value is going to kick that up to feel like 98 degrees, and you do have a 20% chance of rain later that afternoon. It is 81 degrees in Dallas, 80 in Fort Worth. This news brought to you by Will Height Rose in Roberts, BC. Kirk County officials say the death toll from this weekend's floods has increased.
Real people. Now there's a new way.
One of them are children. Sheriff Larry Lethia.
At present, there are 11 Camp Mystic campers.
Plummet.
KEXT.
Playing your future favorites right now. 91.7 KXT. Sugar.
Beautiful bill, and Florida Republican Congressman Byron Donalds joins Fox's The Big Weekend show, speaking out against criticism from Democrats surrounding the requirements to qualify.
On the BBAP.
advertisement by Purity Products. These statements have not been evaluated. Administration. This product is not.
Thousand times more powerful than vitamin C.